Here are the top 5 meme coins to buy in June that could potentially 100x your bag. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at 5 crypto gems that have the potential to 100x your money. As the crypto outlook is looking super bullish, Bitcoin basically breaking all-time highs again, holding its $70,000 position. It's very exciting times ahead for the crypto market. So make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to stay tuned with the latest and greatest crypto news. And like always, none of this is financial advice. Today we're talking about 5 meme coins that could potentially 100x from here, and we see the overall meme market looking absolutely phenomenal, up 1% on the day, over $65 billion. I was highlighting this earlier, guys, but take it in. Pepe is pumping like crazy at $6 billion market cap, but it's coming really close to flipping Shiba Inu. But let's jump in with this top 5 list with a pre-sale for the first one. Trip on my words here, and the first project that has 100x potential is Play Doge. This one's absolutely insane, guys. It launched just a couple days ago and already raised $2.5 million in market cap, which is absolutely unheard of. This is going rapidly fast. There was a pre-sale project we covered on this channel previously called Dogeverse, and it went absolutely insane, raised $15 million in a span of 8 weeks. I think Play Doge might even double that volume, especially now that meme coins are starting to pump again, and this could potentially just raise $30 million in pre-sale and go on to hit at $100 million when it actually goes live, and maybe even a $500 million market cap. So again, this is not financial advice. Obviously do our research and due diligence, but if you want to load up on Play Doge, link in the description below. But what is Play Doge? The Play Doge is the best play to earn Doge companion game. Play Doge is a mobile-based play to earn game that transforms a iconic Doge meme into a Tamagotchi-style virtual pet. Embrace the 90s nostalgia, buy the play tokens in pre-sale to enjoy the classic 2D adventures and earn more crypto. And in 1 day and 14 hours at the time of filming this video, they're going to have their next price hike. So if you want to buy at the absolute lowest price, now's your time to buy. You buy with BNB, ETH, USDT, or a credit card, which is super easy, making it super easy for you, the investor, to buy. It's been featured on a ton of different articles and blogs, which is great. Shows credibility and trust. Great website, clean design, solid roadmap in place as well. Great graphics. Everything about the website is designed perfectly. Tokenomics are looking great. They have staking as well. Everything you'd want in a meme coin, they got it here. And here's the thing, guys. For this project to take off, it has a couple of key features. 1, the Doge theme, awesome. 2, a unique proposition, and in this case it's play to earn and also staking. And 3, growing a community, which it's doing a phenomenal job at that. That being said, it's a top project on my list, and if you want to take a look, I'm gonna link in the description below. Now let's jump into the next project on this list, and next project on this list is Wiener AI. Wiener AI is part dog, part sausage, part AI trading bot, and in 2 days and 7 hours they're going to have their next price hike. This project already raised $4.6 million, a pre-sale gem that hasn't went live yet. But what is this project? It's super interesting because it's not just your typical meme coin, it's your AI trading bot. So what is Wiener AI? Despite its hilarious sausage exterior, Wiener AI is a pinnacle of AI trading technology with girthy predictive features. Wiener AI is a trader's best friend. So it's gonna have an enhanced AI trading, which is sick. It's gonna have seamless sausage swap, so never miss a golden opportunity again. 0 fees and MEV protection. So all the bases you want in an AI trading token, it's given it to you here. Same thing as the Play Doge, having a meme token and having a unique proposition. It's great. That makes it just so much more valuable, right? So outsmart the market with Wiener AI. Wiener AI's predictive technology, which is designed to be user-friendly and to be a trader's best friend. They have great tokenomics in place, a master plan with 3 steps, which is solid, how to buy type FAQ, and yes, you heard right, staking. Not only is it staking, guys, it's currently paying 234% AP, which is absolutely insane. So if you want to earn money on your pre-sale gem, make sure you load up, link in the description below. Now, pre-sale aside, let's take a look at the next coin on this list, and that is Dog Runes. I believe they recently rebranded this. Up until yesterday, it was called Dog Go to the Moon, and now they rebranded to Dog Runes. This one's a really cool project because it's not on ETH. It's not on BNB, it's not on Solana, it's not on Base, it's not on AVAX. They decided to go into Bitcoin Runes, which is insane, which is pretty cool to say the least. And not only that, guys, the project is about to break the 1 cent mark, and the team is actively pushing to get this project to $1, which would be a simple a little bit more than 100x from here. It's currently sitting at a $900 million market cap, and any day now it's going to hit a $1 billion market cap. Also, with this project specifically, it's not listed. It's not listed on any centralized exchange listings, any massive centralized centralized exchange listing just yet, which is great because we haven't got the Binance pump, we haven't got the KuCoin pump, we haven't got the crypto.com pump, we haven't got any massive centralized exchange listing to pump this, right? And we see when we go centralized exchange listing, yeah, I got Gate.io, which is cool, Bitmart, which is cool, but no tier 1 level exchange. And we're imagining this project to start getting some tier 1 level exchanges very, very soon, especially after it breaks the 1 cent mark, especially after it breaks the 100 or the $1 billion market cap mark. This project not to be slept on. We can even see the past month up a whopping 242%. Dog runes. Make sure you take a look. You could add it to your watch list. Next token on this list is, guys, top 5 token list. We can't have a list without mentioning Pepe token. It's at $6.3 billion market cap, and I firmly believe that Pepe could flip Shiba Inu. Currently sitting at 21 in overall market cap, so including all the meme coins and altcoins. It's insane. In terms of meme coins, sitting at number 3. Pepe coin has so much upside potential, and I think June specifically will be the month for Pepe to pump to the moon. But again, like always, none of this is financial advice, always your own research and due diligence. But at Pepe, definitely add to your list if you don't hold already. We talked about this earlier, but apparently Donald Trump holds $25,000 worth of crypto in meme coins. I don't know if it's true or not, but I think it's pretty cool because regardless whether it's true or not, people believe it. This might be enough hype to add people to start buying in cryptos, especially right now. The markets are looking great. We are slowly creeping back into extreme greed, which is great to see as well. So I'm very bullish. Last token on this list is another dog themed token. Let's just end it with a dog, right? Floki, great thing to buy right now, down 6% on the day. In terms of week, yes, we are up 12%. And anticipate as Bitcoin continues to pump, meme coins are going to pump as well. We can also see a project announcement for this project that DWF Labs to purchase $12 million in Floki tokens to support the Floki ecosystem. As a testament to its unwavering support for Floki ecosystem, DWF Labs will purchase $12 million in Floki tokens. A portion of tokens will be acquired from the market, and the rest will be acquired from the Floki treasury. So that's a massive investment into Floki. Obviously, $12 million is not a small amount of money. Currently, Floki is sitting at almost a $3 billion market cap. Again, a top cryptocurrency in terms of top 40, and also in terms of meme coin, a top 5 gem. So again, I think Floki has a lot of upside potential. They are probably arguably one of the best marketing teams in terms of crypto projects, and I imagine it's only going to continue to pump from here. But remember, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence. And let me know what you think about my top 5 list down below. Are you more excited for the pre-sales? Are you more excited for the big meme coins that are already on the list? Let me know your thoughts, opinions, concerns. Let me know if I missed a coin in the comment section below. That's the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.